Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, strain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now you'll have two locations where it looks like a area. So this one is a microphone. You're looking at the one that is close to the edge right here, where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. And it actually looks like we have space for SD card. If I only had one that I could showcase this with, that would have been fantastic. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so you can just kind of see it. You place it on here, and you place it with the chip side up, which can, if I can catch focus, there we go. You can see it right here on the corner. Place it with the chip side up. Make sure it clips into place correctly, and you can also place a SIM card on here as well, though you place SIM card sideways like so. I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm gonna remove it from here, flip it over, and place it on its dedicated spot. I think it goes like this. Yep, there we go. Again, same thing here. Make sure it's clipped into place. Neither the SD card or SIM card should be protruding from the tray. Once that's the case, you can insert it back into your device. There we go. And as you can see, both of the cards should start working right away. So SIM card is obviously working right away. There is no SD card to show this off, but if there was, it would have been showing me a notification that the SD card is ready to be used, and basically, or set up or something along those lines as a notification. Now, anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.